Mother, Mother Ocean, after all the years I found my occupation, no hazard been. My occupation's just not around. I feel like I've gone ahead of town. I feel like I've drowned, but I won't wear a frown.
It's called Without Buffett.
Wouldn't be a sailor, wouldn't dream of the ocean blue. I wouldn't have gone everywhere I've been, and I'd still be playing to empty bars and empty rooms where no one cared about the songs I did. And I think about the friends I've made and the moments that I've had. Never would have happened without him. I never would have met my wife. I wouldn't recognize my life in a world without Buffett.
Aww.
Captain's gone, it was time to sail away, but he left behind his parrot-head pirate fleet. Now the water ain't as blue, the sky is a little more gray, and the margaritas just don't taste as sweet. He followed all the song lines and chased them to the end, enchanted by that magic island beat. Now we're left to survive and keep that beat alive in a world without Buffett. Some of it's magic, some of it's tragic. When it feels the world is coming down, we breathe in, breathe out. 'Cause I hear the music almost every day. When I do, I smile and close my eyes. And I know he's still here, 'cause you know what they say, a legend never dies. He lives on in every one of those songs, from the drinking tunes to the heartfelt lullabies. As long as music fills the sea, there will never be a world without Buffett. 'Cause he was just a poet who lived before his time. Honey, I didn't know that I'd be missing you so. Come Monday, it'll be alright. Come Monday, I'll be holding you tight. I spent 4 lonely days in a brown LA haze, and I just want you back by my side. quite a summer. Rental cars and westbound trains. And now you're off on vacation. Something you tried to explain. And darling, since I love you so, that's the reason I just let you go. Come Monday, it'll be alright. Come Monday, I'll be holding you tight. I spent 4 lonely days in a brown LA haze, and I just want you back by my side. I can't help it, honey, that much a part of me now. Remember that night in Montana when we said there'd be no room for doubts?
What else I can do, Bill?
I was sitting on the porch of the little general store, talking to old man James about nothing.
in the purpose. So when the journey gets long, just know that you are loved. There is light up above, and joy is always enough. Bubbles up. I still struggle, multiply, love it too much, party to end. Bubbles up, they will push you toward home. No matter how deep or how far you run,
Come on. Indoors or outdoors, y'all are the best. Thank you.